What if I told you thousands of microscopic factories are working inside you right now? Not in your city, not in your lab, but inside every single cell of your body. Meet ribosomes, the ultimate protein making machines of life. Hi, this is Yamini. Today we are going to discuss about ribosomes. They may be tiny, invisible to the naked eye, but their job is huge. They are small, non-membranous cell organelles found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. That means even bacteria have them. Ribosomes are found in two places, free ribosomes and bounded ribosomes. Structure of ribosomes are made up of rRNA and protein. Ribosomes have two subunits, larger subunit and smaller subunit. These two come together only when protein synthesis starts. Types of ribosomes, mainly two types. 70S ribosomes are found in prokaryotic cell, mitochondria and chloroplast. 80S ribosomes are found in eukaryotic cells. The main function of ribosomes is protein synthesis. Ribosomes read the genetic message from mRNA and join amino acids together to form protein. This process is called translation. So remember, DNA gives instruction, mRNA carries the messages, ribosomes make proteins. Without ribosomes, no protein will be formed, no energy will work, no cell regrowths, no repair will be done, and life cannot exist. So, ribosomes are one of the most essential organelles of living organisms. So, in next time you move, think, and breathe, remember tiny ribosomes are working non-stop to keep you alive. So, this is all about ribosome. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.